Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Chippa United 0. My brother, how's it?
Yeah, ngiyaphila ukhosibani.
Siyaphila man. Uzwa kanjani game namhlanje?
Yeah, Paris. Yeah, idlalile yona ne. But to be honest, team edlala nayo ile emsileni. So angeke si-rate kakhulu. Awuthi uyabheka iChippa for the whole 90 minutes. Be defender. iChippa iqale udlala nge-last 10 minutes. But ke idlala ne-team efana ne-Pirates compete for i-championship. So bengeke kube lula. Hence ubone ukuthi i-Pirates nge-last 10 minutes capitalize score. So iChippa ngathi kumele iphakamise amasokisi, otherwise izoyihlathini.
Izoyi-relegation.
Yeah, ayiyehlathini indlela yabo.
Yini message yakho ungayinikeza iChippa as a whole ne-technical team yabo, ne-chairman yabo?
Yeah, maybe uchairman weChippa, I don't know. Maka-checkishe ukuthi uscout abo bani ama-player waletha kwiChippa. Because mawuthi uyabheka lapho lokubuyisa ama-player ayi-1 o-Evanga. Evanga udlalile lapha. Azange ibhola alithathe, azange abonakala. But kumele ibheke ukuthi maybe iscout abo bani. I think manje sekunesipho, sinesipho nayo usuke Eastern Cape. So maybe maka-check i-talent yase-Eastern Cape nase-Western Cape. La iChippa ibidlala khona before. A-scout ama-player lapha. At least bazodlala into ebonakalayo. Mara bangaba be-continue kanje ehlathini bayakhona. Bayakhona ehlathini akugage.
Abafana bakho ucabanga ukuthi bazodlala kanjani ngomgqibelo? Badlala neZamalek.
Abafana bami I believe basezobuya. Still early, sisasele nga-5 games. And uMiguel lanto le yenzeke lapha imistake yenzeka nakubani. So akumelanga ayithathe enhlizweni. Thina sesimxolele already ngoba thina singabantu abasupport iChiefs.
Exactly.
Chiefs thina.
Angithi yilabo abanye abamthukayo, but nina amakhosi ni grand ngayo.
Thina si grand angalaleli labantu bala ngikhona namhlanje abase Orlando nabase Pitori. Thina singamafezi weChiefs simxolele imistake yenzeka nakubani. So siyazi ukuthi ucaptain wethu futhi amanye wama-leaders kwi-Chiefs. So going forward siyazi ukuthi siyodlala neZamalek on Saturday. iZamalek isobe sidlala nayo at home. So suppose ukuthi siwine lapho because ukudliwa kwethu kuzosibeka emsileni. And yengoku asifuni uzifakela i-pressure unnecessary. Thina we are suppose ukuthi siwine game clean. Then siyazi ukuthi at least sina 3 points siyodlala nini next year after lento le i-AFCON. Nayo uHugo lo at least sibonile ukuthi waselectile ama-player wethu even though singazi ukuthi uzowaselectana kwi-final squad because siyamazi ukuthi
oyedwa uzomselecta
maybe let's hope
about 54.
Let's hope because uHugo une-politics zakhe of which maybe abantu bala esigodini ibabaziyo cause uchairman we-Pirates ukuthi why always kuselect ama-player we-Pirates. Mawuthi uyabheka oyela goalkeeper nama-clean sheet amaningi uPeterson uyoselect uGross team yakhe kunumber 1 unama-clean sheet amangaphi. Why ungamselect uPeterson at least ayoba ugoalkeeper number 3 esquadini. Naba nabo-Gross uyababona bayadlala. At least bangacompete nalabafana bayi-2 lo omunye lo osuka kwi-TS Galaxy oseyidlala overseas plus lo uKabini plus lo we-Sundowns. I believe lapha kulamajita ayi-3 lawo ukhona oyi-1 angamshaya ngebench. But ke siyazi ukuthi eMzansi kudila ngepolitics ibhola la alisayi phambili ngoba kuthiwa kuyi-Chiefs or yini umuntu udlala ibhola eligrand. Naku ulontsha bambiza ngesquadini babiza uThembazwane ugcine nini udlala September. But bambiza esquadini waye bengabizanga ulontsha. uThembazwane kokucala ona ngaphi 34 ulontsha una ngaphi. So that's why sithi kune-politics eziningi ezenzakalayo la eMzansi. Maybe asazi wazi yena uHugo Broos but let's hope ukuthi ke kwi-AFCON uzokwenza kahle the way aqhuba ngakhona nesquad sakhe. And then next year sothola ucoach omusha after i-World Cup.
No, siyabonga kakhulu mfethu. Congratulations. Hopefully uzowina ngomhla 29.
Yes. Akuna chance siyabonga.
Futhi ngithe congratulations. Ngifuna ukuthi all the best.
Siyabonga kweZamalek. Akuna chance.
Maybe ngithi congratulations in advance.
Yes.